Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make coriander powder at home. We do end up using coriander powder in a lot of our recipes, so it isn't a bad idea to make this spice powder at home. I am taking 100 grams of coriander seeds, but you can take as much or as little as you like. These seeds are easily available in supermarkets or local stores. We need to roast the seeds a little before making its powder. I am heating up a pan and will roast the seeds in it in low flame for about 5 minutes. We need to roast the seeds for about 70 to 80%, and once you get that roasted aroma from it, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Once the seeds come to room temperature, transfer them onto the smallest jar of your grinder and start making the powder. I am going to grind it in 2 batches as I don't want to overload it. It hardly takes a few minutes to get that perfect powder. Leave it for about half an hour like that to cool down and then transfer it in an airtight container. Repeat the same process with the remaining seeds as well. And transfer them in the container once it cools down. I will use this powder for about 3 to 4 months. Now it's time to click a few pictures for Instagram. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.